Previously, I showed you how to set up accounts for your GBF SentryLink. It's basically a fancy doorbell for apartment buildings, condo, whatever. If you want to refresh, please click on the link below and you'll see what that whole video is all about. Today, we're going to focus on the tablet itself. This is the tablet that's mounted on the wall inside the apartment unit. So this is the box that the tablet comes in. The model number is MR920M PoE. This thing is powered by Power over Ethernet, so it's just one single core providing power for the tablet as well as data. Data in this case is the video that's coming from the SentryLink. You can see who's outside as well as you can talk to them as well, two-way audio. Inside the box, this is all you get. You get the tablet itself, the mounting bracket, the power cord, which we won't be using because we're using PoE, some anchors and screws. This is what the back of the tablet looks like. So we're just going to use one single Ethernet cord to go straight into this port. That's it. Done. This is what it looks like on the wall before I mount it. Again, you only need one cord, and that's the Ethernet cord. Cat 5 will work fine, but this is Cat 6 cable, in case you're curious what the cable is. The first thing we're going to do is mount the bracket. It only uses 2 screws, 1, 2. Next, plug in your Ethernet cord into the back of the tablet, and then slide the tablet straight in. Even though this tablet has Wi-Fi, but of course we're not using Wi-Fi, we're using Ethernet. And the first thing it's going to want to do is connect to the SentryLink. The beauty of this whole system is that it does not require internet to work. Once it downloaded everything that it needs, even though it's a full-blown tablet, it's very, very basic. You can only use it with the SentryLink. So it's not like you can browse the web, play music, play video, play YouTube. Your options are to view what's outside at the door, unlock the door, and that's basically it. Very limited. Alright, hopefully you found this tutorial on how to mount the tablet side of the SentryLink useful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.